Well, g'day everyone and welcome back to the channel. Tonight we're using the last of my homemade pumpkin puree, which I'll throw a link up for. And we are making some pumpkin butter. So, measurements are going to be a little rough on this one, but that's nothing new for me. Alright, so we've got probably about 3 cups of puree pumpkin there. 3/4 cup of brown sugar. Half a cup of unsweetened apple juice. A couple of teaspoons of vanilla. 1, 2. A couple of teaspoons of cinnamon. Somewhere between 1.25 teaspoon of ground cloves, and somewhere between 1/2 and 1 teaspoon of ground ginger. This is those pumpkin pie type spices that go so well with pumpkin. I'm just going to fire the heat up on that. Get everything incorporated. All right. Now I need to bring this to a boil. Once it's at a boil, we'll turn it down to a simmer, and then we'll simmer it for about probably about 30-45 minutes, just to thicken it up. With using the puree that I've used, which is a puree that's done in the oven. It doesn't need as much thickening as it would if you've got a more watery tin puree or something like that. So, yep, we'll just bring it up to the boil, let it cook down, and once it's ready, I'll bring you back and you can have a look. Here we are at the end of the cook time. As you can see, that has cooked down an awful lot. It's nice and thick now. There's no runniness left in it at all. It's had a good simmer down and a good thicken up. Just along the way, just used a spatula just to keep the sides down, and also made sure to keep stirring because it's this thick. It's got sugar in it, and it's got apple juice in it. It's going to catch to the bottom, and it's going to end up burnt if you don't move it about. Okay, so now it is time to get it into some jars. As you can see, I've still got the heat on. The heat's on very low, and as I get down to the point where it's going to be burning, then I'll turn the heat off. But I want to make sure that heat's in there. Because I'm just hot packing these. Okay. Lid on, ring on. And on we go to the next. All right, well, I'll get these done because I want to concentrate on what I'm doing, and then I will talk to you probably in the morning once this is cooled down. Next day, and here we are. As you can see, everything's sealed down from the hot packing. Absolutely beautiful. And there is our absolutely gorgeous pumpkin butter. Now, I know a lot of people are going to ask, what is pumpkin butter used for? Stay tuned to the channel, and I will use it in a few more recipes. Okay, thank you very much everyone for watching, and bye for now.